Have you ever noticed when you try to change your life alone, it feels so heavy? You start full of hope, then life gets busy and motivation dips and you hear the whispers of your old habits coming back. And slowly you drift back to where you were. Many women think they need more willpower, but what they really need is to be surrounded by the right environment. Humans were not designed to rise alone. And that's where the Great Hall here in one-of-a-kind castle is such a precious part of the journey. We are energetic beings. We're made of vibrating energy, and energy rubs off. So if you're surrounded by people who are moaning, complaining, staying stuck, or they laugh at your dreams, then that silently lowers your expectations. It lowers your limits that you think that you can achieve. There's something about watching another woman win. You may feel a bit envious, but that's a sign that that is a desire inside you that you are meant to get. Seeing her win, seeing her grow, tells your nervous system that you can do it too. Success becomes normal. Consistency becomes normal. And suddenly the life that you thought that you couldn't achieve seems possible for you. When you place yourself in a room full of women who are growing, believing, showing up and cheering each other on to become healthier, happier, more confident. When a community of beautiful hearts moves together in one direction, it creates momentum, and momentum changes lives. Sometimes the biggest reason women stay stuck is because they are creating their own identity without realising it. I always stay stuck. I'm never consistent. I can't stick to anything. I've gone too far. In the wrong room, your dreams seem silly. Everybody thinks they are, because their limits are lower. But in the right room, in the right community, they feel natural. These are not silly dreams, these are sacred desires. And inside a loving community, they are honoured. Inside the Great Hall, women are not criticised for starting again. They are celebrated for showing up. You'll find encouragement, warmth, shared wins, honest struggles, gentle accountability, and that you are not behind. We also gather in the Great Hall for monthly live reviews to keep you on track, seasonal celebrations where we dress up and decorate and have fun, special appearances and some magical moments, and support from women who truly understand the journey. Because growth feels better, it feels lighter when it's carried together. If you're tired of trying alone and you know that you're in the wrong environment to grow and become the woman you know you can be, then maybe it's time to cross the drawbridge and step through the gates of one-of-a-kind castle. Come join women who believe growth is possible. Come rise with us in the Great Hall. Your next chapter may just begin with one brave step in the right direction. Fare thee well, beautiful lady.